Your college life begins, but no one's gonna tell you these rules. This is the best and the last video you are gonna watch on your college guide. But keep in mind, if you want to live the normal college life, the so called normal college life as usual, this video is not for you. This video is for those who wants to be in the top 1% in their college, because this is not just about classes, this is survival, this is identity, this is where it all begins. This chapter is gonna be the most practical and one of the most best chapter for you guys. That what you should do on the first day of college or on the first week of college. It's most difficult for freshers that what will happen, will people talk to me, or am I able to communicate with others? This week or this first day gonna change your life forever. So do prepare as well. Let me give you some most practical things that you should keep in mind. First, you need to talk at least 7 to 10 people in the first week of your college. And the best way I suggest is in the first month of your college. Yes, in the first month of your college, you need to talk to at least 2 new people every single day. Suppose you already know 10 to 15 people in the first week of your college, and you can say that they are my so-called friends. But still, to be in the top 1%, you need to talk to at least 2 new more people every single day. You need to find those people. I'm not saying that be the best friend with them, but at least know them. Exchange your Instagram IDs or your numbers and be in contact with them. This will gonna change your life forever. Then I would say that be connect with your seniors. What will happen in the first day or the first week now? Your batch or the first batch will not talk with each other. They are gonna greet you, hello, hi, what's your name, and that's it. But what you need to do is talk to the people of your batch, be that icebreaker, but also talk to the seniors as well. If you know them, if you don't know them in prior, but still talk to them. Talk to the second year people, third year people, or even fourth year people. Say them that I am a fresher, what's your name, my name is this. Exchange your Instagram ID, and after that, question them about the college, that how's things gone in this college, what to do, what are the important things, what are the assignments, teachers, and all that stuff. They are gonna help you so much to be in that top 1%. Then in the first day of your college, clear your routine. I mean that get to know about your classrooms, your washrooms, your cafeterias, parkings, library, any other rooms about the buildings of the college, every single room. You need to know in the first day, or I will say that you can take the first week as well, but you need to know about that as soon as possible. For a long game, this one gonna help you a lot. Next, you have to wear something clean, stylish, and comfortable as well. People will judge you. People will judge you on your looks, and people will judge you on your communication skills. And you need to level up yourself. I am not saying that change your whole personality, but I am saying level up yourself. Upgrade your fashion skills. If you look good, if your fashion skills are really good, people will try to reach you, they will try to make in contact with you, and that's the thing that matters a lot, and a lot. I would suggest that after talking to your seniors, get to know about your teachers as well. Get to know that who are your teachers, who are your class teachers, and after, what is the name of all your college teachers, as much as you can know. Most people think that the first month of their college doesn't matter at all. They will be constantly absent in their college, they will not attend their classes by kept saying that I don't have friends, I don't have anyone to talk there, how can I manage all this stuff? But this is your biggest mistake. So let's talk about the most common mistakes people usually do when they start going to college. First is making your friend circle too early. Yes, you heard that right. I just say that make more friends, get to know about people, but the mistake is what usually people do on the first day, they meet 4 to 5 children and they will make a constant friend circle. They'll make the barriers around them that no, now we are the best friends. Buddy, you just met them from some few hours. not even a day, not even some weeks. How could you be the best friends altogether? That's the thing that most people do. They think that I'm an introvert, but you are not an introvert. You have the worst communication skills that you need to manage. What you have to do is take time. Don't make so much big friend circles and make a barrier. Get to know about as much people as you can. It will be a game changer for you. Also, the mistake that people do is they kept saying that अभी तो time है मेरे पास for my studies, अभी बाद में studies की जाएगी, that I have so much time, my year has just started and right now I have to start my studies. But brother, I know that college is much easier than school. When you come to college, it becomes much easier for you. But the thing is, every person knows that college is easy. That's why they don't give so much time to their studies as well. And that's where the things go wrong. And you see a much downfall in your marks. That's why you get stressed very easily. Next, you also have to know a very basic thing that every student, every college beginner should know. They should care about their hygiene. Most people don't care about their hygiene. They already think that I had taken a bath, I am a fresh person, I have wear my new clothes, that's it. But suppose if your body odor is so bad, how can people will talk to you or how can people will sit near you? You need to maintain your hygiene. You need to maintain your body odor. You need to clean your body deeply and you need to choose a best perfume, a better perfume for you. Then the biggest mistake majority people do is they ignore the real skills, the value of the best skills in their life. People usually do that. Now my college has started. I have to enjoy my college life. For that, I don't have time to do my skills. Even I'm good in communication, to enhance content creation, to be an artist, to be a musician, to be a dancer, any other skill that I know, people stop giving it time in the name that their college has been started. But the thing is, to be in the top 1%, your skills will take you there. If you're a good artist, you can be the top, the best artist in your whole college, on your whole university. You can be the best content creator in your whole university. You can be the best musician. You can be the best dancer, the best coder, anything, any of your skill. You can have the best communication skills in your college. Just you need to enhance your real skills and stop ignoring them. This is the most important chapter for you. You don't need to be the best student. You just need to be the sharpest mind in your college. I had prepared a great tactical progress chart for you that you need to follow. First, pick a skill. It can be any real skill. Communicating, speaking, editing, dressing, fitness, any other skill that you need to master. It will gonna change your life. It will gonna give you a biggest exposure of your life. This skill will gonna help you after your college also. Second, create a weekly routine. Most people what do is that after my college is started, they will think that now I will leave my gym because I don't have time for gymming, or I will leave my any other classes, my any other skill. But do reschedule your timetable. Do your gymming, do your any other skill enhancement and do your college as well. You just need to reschedule it. Third, maintain a network with your seniors and your teachers. It should be a very respectful network, but a bigger network with our teachers or seniors gonna help you a lot. They're gonna help you in your assignments, they're gonna help you in college events. Even you'll get some secret news regarding your college as well through your networks. Fourth, use technology smartly. Technology, AI, these things gonna help you a lot. You need to maintain your notes. You don't need your notebook. You can maintain them in your notes app, or the better thing is you can maintain them in the Notion app. It will gonna help you. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini for your research, for your self-enhancement. You just need to learn better prompt engineering and the AI will help you to maintain and easy your college journey. Fifth, explore the area around your campus, enjoy your college life. Do also go to some walks and celebrations with your friends because this is the thing you're gonna remember even after 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. that you had done so much fun in your college. And the last thing, which is one of the most important thing, is join clubs or events for your enhancement. College clubs, events and any other thing are not gonna only help you in your skill enhancement, but they are gonna give you a so big exposure, a wide exposure that will also help you in your after college life. College is not give you everything, but it will give you a chance to take everything from it. So just don't pass through these years, but let them pass through you. It's not just about friends or marks, it's about who you become in this process. So enjoy this process. College won't figure it all out. It just keeps moving. But the one who wins, they build themselves consistently, quietly, and powerfully. If this video really brings a change within you, do give it a like and also subscribe to our channel, and do watch our other videos as well.